Okay, now let's talk about measuring amperage. You have to be careful measuring amperage with a digital multimeter because you're passing all the amperage of the circuit through the meter. That is, the multimeter has to be wired in series with that circuit. Let's do it with something benign like this navigation light, starboard navigation light. Okay, so we're just going to use this drill battery as a test battery. It's 14.4 volts, but it won't hurt our battery. So we have our leads coming off our battery. We have our light here, and let's verify, make sure it works. We go positive, negative. Alright, there we go. So our navigation light works. We want to know how many amps are passing through this bulb, and knowing our voltage, we can find our wattage of this particular bulb. So we go to volts AC, amps AC, amps DC. We're going to be on let's start on the 10 amp scale. We'll trade security of our fuse in there for accuracy of the meter if it is indeed below 200 milliamps. So we have to put the meter in series. Okay, we connect one lead. We're connected to the positive side, and it doesn't really matter which one what leg you're putting the meter in series in, because all the electrons are traveling through both sides of the meter, or of the circuit. So we hook our negative to our meter. Okay, right now our potential difference is flowing from one side of the battery to right here on our meter. So let's complete the circuit. Alright, we complete the circuit by touching this here. We have light, and we have 0.87 amps traveling through this circuit. So when we disconnect our meter, the circuit is open, infinite resistance, no current flow. When we close it, we see 0.89 amps with a 14 volt battery. So from that we can figure out the wattage of this bulb without opening the case.